Hey everybody, and welcome to the trade recap for the 11th of November 2021. All right, so yesterday was a great day, guys. A lot of guys in that community actually smashed it, and I'm very happy to see everyone pulling some big results now. I pulled a nice 7-8% trade. I could have pushed it a lot further. As I woke up this morning, it did drop a lot. However, look, I'm happy with what I've got. You know, I'm up over nearly 13% this week, so I can't complain. So look, let's go through yesterday's price action and see what happened. All right, so what do we got here? The Asian range is pushing down, okay? And as I've mentioned multiple times, if the Asian range is pushing down in one direction, we can look for continuation trades, but we wait for the change of trend. All right, at the current price, we're in a 1 hour buy range. All right, during this 1 hour buy range, could you look for buys here? I'd wait for, when price action is doing this, you wait for a confirmation. All right, you wait for a nice 5-minute confirmation to look for longs. Okay, was I expecting price to come up here? Yes, if we had a confirmation entry to look for long. If price pushes down, I'll look for continuation trade down to fill in balances below. Okay, so at the minute here, we're in the 1 hour range. All right, as you can see here, look what happens when price action pushes down in an Asian range like this. It's just a continuation. Okay, up here, we look for continuation trade. Yes, you would have got a break even here. It didn't work out. However, the way we managed, you would have had no loss. Okay, so let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and look at how we would have looked at these price actions. So look, price action is coming up to the end of the Asian range, London time. And what do we expect price action to do here? We just wait to see what happens, all right? Wait for the market to show you what's going to happen, all right? And here we go. And it's just pushed down. What do we expect here? We've had a change of trend on the 1 hour, all right? Because originally we had this 1 hour boss up here. We had a buy range. We're looking for either a 15-minute breaker structure here, probably, and a continuation up to here. However, we did not get that. So what do we do now? We evolve the market. We've had a 1 hour boss. Check on your own chart if you can't. I just know where everything is. All right, so we've had a 1 hour change of trend. Let's drop to the 60. I'll show you. This is our last lower low. High low, sorry guys, and then we're just breaking it. So we had a 1 hour boss. All right, so we actually had a 1 hour change of trend. So lower low, last lower high is right here. Okay, I'll just draw that on. And where can we expect price action to come back to? The 50% level, all right? Price action loves to mitigate 50%. And where's highly likely price action to gravitate towards to? Equal lows of liquidity or manufactured liquidity and imbalances. We've got clear imbalance here. We've got some gap slip here. If you don't know what gap slip is, go watch my videos. All right, and then we obviously had this long-term effect. I didn't think price action would get there straight away, but it actually did. So let's just evolve. So we've got this 1 hour range here. And what can we do? Let's drop down to the 15-minute chart. All right. This is actually just so simple yesterday. And I'm so happy that most of the community got in this. So we put on, this is our 1 hour range, sell range. All right, so this is our 1 hour sell range. Where can we expect price action to come back to? We can expect price action to mitigate this area up here. As you can see here, this price action is very, very efficient down here. All right. And when Asian sessions are doing this, a high probability to continue on with the trend and do continuation trades. If you're going against it, you're going to get burnt. All right. As we mentioned yesterday's trade recap, when price action is going sideways in the Asian session, you can look for nice sweeps like over here, nice entries to go long or even short. All right. That your strike rate will be higher and you'll be able to protect your capital very, very quick. So what can we do inside this range? Let's draw on our 15-minute range. Our last breaker structure was here on the 15. Yeah, 15-minute boss. what can we do now? We can draw, I'll zoom right in. I'll move this over. So you can draw a range inside of a range. All right, we're just going with the trend. We're going with the order flow. The order flow, we're expecting order flow to just roll over now. So, what happened here? We've got this other range here. This is a 15-minute range. Where is the most high probable area to enter a trade? At the back of the range. When people are entering in the middle of the ranges or at the bottom of the ranges, you're going to lose multiple times. All right, your strike rate will be shit. All right, we're here to be consistent forever. So let's go to the 5-minute chart. Price action was looking good. I was still just watching this. I didn't place my order until we had a bit more a bit more price action. However, everything was starting to look good. All right. So let's just play through here on the 5, and price action started dribbling down and came back down and mitigated this week, okay? Because I know on the long time frame on the 1-minute chart that have been a V-shaped recovery, and price action loves to come back, mitigate the wick, and then push up, okay? So what got me a little bit excited is price action started pushing up. So I'll stop right there. So I was about here, and I saw the candles pushing up. I'll just make this a bit more neat. I'll draw my 15-minute sell range on. And what do we have here? So yeah, we actually placed my order here. This is a perfect setup for me. When I start seeing price action push up, as I mentioned, I get excited. And create some balance. There's a high probability that price action is going to fill this order block up here. Going to collect some orders, continue down, at least fill this imbalance. Okay, so I think I had a 2.6 pip stop loss from memory. Bang on 3. This came right to the back of the range. You have to make sure you do everything perfect, guys. Make sure you put your stop above the last high, not in here. If you have it above here, you'll protect your capital all the time, okay? It's better off to go a little bit thing. Obviously, mine was a little bit too tight yesterday, and I nearly got stopped out. I'm not going to lie to you. And what was I doing? I was just aiming for lows down here, okay? I was just aiming for lows. We had these little equal lows here. You can highly predict where price action is going to go, all right? We had equal lows here to aim for. We had equal highs up here that price action is going to sweep. And yeah, so where can we expect price action to go? We've got imbalance here. You actually got gap sleep. This is on the 5-minute chart. You can highly predict where price action is going to go. All right. You could have entered this nearly on the 1-minute chart, which would be even better. So sometimes I do enter on the 1-minute chart, but yesterday I didn't, and it would have been an amazing trade. So let's play this through, and look at this, popped up, and look at this, bang, bang, and I'm out. Okay, that was 8%. Okay, straight away, out of the trade. And I know, and what happens after we create a lower low? We created a lower low here. This is a lower high. And what do we expect? There's a 75% probability we're going to create a new lower low. Yes, I could have pushed this a lot further. However, I'm not going to bullshit you. I was fucking tired. And I've had a big day on the screen, researching crypto, developing the website even better. So, but what I'm even more proud of is that multiple people in the community, I've had some private text me too, they got in the trade as well. So, mate, congratulations. Some of the boys pulled out some big 15 to 20 yards there. That was amazing. So let's just see where this actually goes and pushes out. And so where's this likely to go to? We got imbalance down here. Yes, I stopped here. And what did I say in the chat? I expect price action. The reason why I close most of mine, because you're not going to get this right every time, guys. And you'll see once you are funded and once you actually have a shitload of capital, you don't need to fucking push 20 Rs every fucking day. All right. You just need to be consistent. All right. And me making 7-8% is more than enough. That's all I need to make a week. And it's what that's what you guys need to do too. Trust me. If you're pushing all these big trades all the time, you will get burnt long time. Yes, I recommend closing, especially at most of the lows, most of your trade, because this could just reject, come up here, fill gap slips, imbalances, probably take out these equal highs, and then it could go again, and your trade's gone. So you need to protect your capital as best you can and have trade management. Trade management is the key to success in trading. All right, exactly what I said in my Discord yesterday. I said, what will happen here? I closed out here. Why? Because we're coming up to New York session. Sorry, we're coming up to New York session, and I expect price action. We did have this imbalance and gap slip on the 15, all right? And price action will likely come up here, fill it, and then continue on. Could you look for continuation trades again? Yes, definitely. All right. Look at this. We had this beautiful, all this gap slip, imbalance here. All right, and we still have a balance down here to fill. All right, so let's just see what actually happens here. I went to bed after my trade. It was about 10 o'clock. And there we go. Look at this. That's just filling the imbalance over here perfectly. That was in the 1 hour, I'm pretty sure, or the 4 hour. And what can we expect? A retrace now? Actually, I just remember waking up and seeing the price action down. So yeah, obviously price action came back up. Maybe not. Maybe just rolled over. So I was expecting price action to come back up here. Oh no, it did actually. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, so look, and there we go. Perfect. So, and what happened here? I could have held on to this and pushed it lower. Look, and some people did hold on to this and push it lower in the community, which is great, all right? But you need to be prepared. If you're not taking profits, you could be taken out and then go again, okay? That happens all the time. And you'll see if you're making these 7, 8, 10% trades a couple times a week, you don't need to push them so far. And look at this. And this came up, just tapped into here, filled this imbalance. You got a little bit of balance here on the 15 still, but it just rolled over and there was too much selling pressure. This was just collecting more orders. Came to the range. Yes, we broke structure here, but it just rolled over. And there was too much pressure to the downside. So let's have a look at this. Oh wow, that is awesome. So I'm so happy for the guys who smashed that. That's sick. And guys, where did it go to? Remember that blue line? I drew this blue line a couple of weeks ago. I said price will come down and mitigate this area on the higher time frame. All right, so let's just go to the daily. Exactly what it said. Price action is coming back down to mitigate this wick. We've got this wick over here, and we've got point of release over here and over here as well. The price action will probably definitely roll over and look for orders. Okay, what can we expect now? I'll be waiting for price action. Yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure here. All right, would you look for buyers? No. Wait. You need to wait for some little distribution and some or change of order flow, some bearish order flow. All right, I mean bullish order flow. Sorry, guys. So just drop down to the 60-minute chart. I'm just going to wait. We'll see what price action happens today. We'll just build it nicely, and I'll just wait for some multiple breaks of structure, some little bit of distribution, and a change of trend. Okay. Do I expect a pullback? Definitely. Okay. However, we need to be mindful where every single time frame is bearish right now. Okay. So if you're going against the trend, you will get fucking burnt. All right. So sorry for swearing, but everyone needs to get through their head so you're disciplined and consistent. All right. Too many people gamble and are not consistent with their trades. All right. So anyways, guys, let's leave it at that. And anyway, guys, let's leave it at that. And I'm so happy for the guys in the community. I want to switch over and bring over Discord. This is our Discord community. As you can see here, got a few of the boys are absolutely smashing it in the Discord. you know, without Semi's up nearly $18,000 in the last few days. Well done, Semi. That's awesome. You also got Big Della here, and Della. Look at that. Another $2,000 trade there. Well done. That's amazing. So the boys are doing very, very well. Anyways, guys, look, I hope you enjoyed today's trade recap. Let's all absolutely smash it today. Make sure to check out the crypto stuff. Don't be scared to ask questions, and I will see you tonight. Thanks, guys.